Gotti. We have a borders. Hey, bakit kakaiba yung boses mo? Hello. Hindi ka kita. Itim ka kasi. I cannot see you. Black Gotti. Oh. And here. There you go. We have also a Gotti here. Lying down. And here. The Pragi tired Gotti. And this one. Hi! Si mama goat niya is here. Ayan si mama goat niya. Inside. Okay, a tour for our new goat house. Empty. No one inside. We have a water station over there. And our molasses is there. That's where we timpla our seaweed feeds. There you go. Thank you.